Samsung presents an 810-liter frost-free side-by-side refrigerator with inverter compressor. This refrigerator is available in black color. This refrigerator has a triple cooling system that controls and optimizes the temperature, maximizes humidity, and prevents odor mixing in 3 compartments. You can keep different foods fresh with Flex Zone. This independently controlled drawer provides a flexible storage space for edibles. This refrigerator comes with a family hub screen which offers a wide range of smart features. Now you can look inside your fridge without opening it using the screen or smartphone. This helps in managing food effectively and reduce waste. You can add items to a shopping list and check recipe suggestions. You can use Memo, To-Do and Gallery apps to share task lists, instructions, activity schedules and photos with your family. The Samsung refrigerator has an energy-efficient compressor with less noise and more durability. This refrigerator is also enabled with voice assistant Bixby. This refrigerator comes with a warranty of 1 year on product and 10 years on the compressor. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.